everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to week 5 for distance learning. Yeah, it's been so long since we've been in the classroom together. And I miss seeing your faces and having our classes. It's definitely not the same at all recording in my dining room. Talking to myself, trying to figure out where your questions will be. I even miss telling Derek to stop tapping the ruler and for Grayson to just be a little bit more quiet and for Kurt to get out of my seat and Karen, for Olivia Thorpe to quiet down, Chris to be more focused. Yeah, and all of my lovelies. I miss Saxon's daily drama stories and Abby complaining about every other class except for the core classes. So all of her specials, Abby Franco. Yeah, and I miss my ray of sunshines, Alexia and Kenzie, who always have the biggest pout on their faces and everything's the end of the world. No, but really, I miss you guys a lot. So I hope that you're doing well. And I hope someday soon we can be reunited and get back to normal. I guess it'll be a new normal, but I still want to get back to the classroom and to teach you guys live. So until then, you have to deal with me and videos. Sorry. Okay, so today we are wrapping up the volume unit, and the last thing that we need to do is we need to use the formula to find the volume of a sphere. So for this one, it's a little bit different because we're not going to be finding the height, we're not going to be finding the radius because the formula is a little bit different. So there is a video that goes through, I think, four examples on how to find the volume of a sphere. So when you're going through that video, if you understand how to do it by example 2, then try example 3 on your own. So you know how in class I would say, all right, do you guys get it? Do you want to try one on your own? And you'd all say, yeah. And I'd say, okay, well, I'm going to do it while you do it and then check your answers. Pretend it's like that. So either put me on mute, which you probably do anyway. No, you wouldn't do that. I know you better. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, so, or you can pause the video, try it, and then fast forward to where I show you the answer and see how you do. So you don't have to go through the whole video if you understand it. So it's kind of a way for you to work at your own pace. You will need your workbooks. If you don't have your workbooks, there is a link on that lesson plan template for you to click on. So make sure in Google Classroom, you actually look at and read the lesson plan because there's a lot of information on that. And then after that, so after you do the practice with the workbook, you check your answers, then you're going to do the edge elastic assignment. So there's not going to be many questions on the edge elastic, maybe like 2 or 3 problems, maybe 2, I don't know. I haven't made it yet. And that will be your first grade for the 4th quarter. So let's start off quarter 4 strong. Everyone starts off with a clean slate. It's our last quarter together, either virtually or in person. And that makes me very sad. It really does. Like, I'm not being sarcastic for once. So it's going to go by really fast. But yeah, so we're going to start over on a clean slate. Everyone starts off. If you turn this in, you get 100. Everyone has 100 average for quarter 4. Okay? All right, guys. So you know where to find me if you need help or if you get stuck. I can also, if you're interested, I can try to do a small group at a certain point. And on Wednesdays, we're going to do like kind of like a family meeting, like a little check-in with each individual class with me. So I'll tell you more about that on Wednesday's video. All right, guys, be well, do your best. Let me know if you have questions, and I will hopefully see you all very soon. Bye.